Pipeline parameter binding. Commands accept input only from one parameter. Get AD user filter. Name EQ, Perry Brill. Set AD user city Seattle. In the preceding example, two parameters are specified for set AD user. The one parameter you notice is city. Another parameter is used invisibly as part of pipeline parameter binding. Two techniques for pipeline parameter binding. By value is always tried first. By property name is tried if by value fails. Identifying by value parameters. The help file for a command indicates the parameters that can accept the pipeline input by value. Required, false. Position, named. Default value none. Accept pipeline input, true. By value. Accept wildcard characters, false. Passing data by using by value. Passing data by using by value. Slide 2. Object and PS object are generic object types. If a parameter accepts one of these object types, the parameter will accept any kind of object. If the parameter accepts pipeline input by value, it can accept any kind of object from the pipeline. This configuration is how sort object, select object, where object, and many other commands work. Passing data by using property name. Object properties. Name, full name, enabled, description, calculated property, computer name equals $PS item, name. Command parameters. Id, name, get AD computer filter, select object, at, n equals, computer name, equals, $PS item, name. Get process. Identifying by property name parameters. The full help for a command lists the parameters that accept pipeline input by using by property name. Required, false. Position, named. Default value local computer. Accept pipeline input, true. By property name. Accept wildcard characters, false. Using manual parameters to override the pipeline. The shell first looks to see what parameter it can use for pipeline parameter binding. But if one of those parameters is specified manually, binding stops. Get process name notepad. Stop process name notepad. The manual use of name overrides the pipeline and the pipeline input is not used. You will see an error. Using parenthetical commands. Any command or commands in parentheses will be run first. The results will be inserted in place of the parenthetical command. Works with any parameter if the command produces the kind of object that the parameter expects. Get AD group, London users. Add AD group members. Get AD user filter, city EQ, London. Expanding property values. 1. The expand property parameter of select object expands, or extracts, the contents of a single property. 2. Instead of returning an object with many properties, the command returns a simpler value, converts multiple value properties to a series of single items. Additionally, works when piping commands.